Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do like a little review and a demonstration. Oh my god, they're already dirty. I'm gonna wipe them off real quick. There. On the new Morphe times Jaclyn palettes, like the Vault Collection, you know. They have 4 of them and I purchased this one, which is Ring the Alarm. I'm feeling this very like fall. Like I'm so feeling all these warm tone colors and the pop of red. Like this screams like fall, like very fall and like out there. I love it. And the other one I picked up was the Bling Boss. It's like the purple one. Like oh no, this like screams like New Year's and like I don't know. It just screams like New Year's and just like I don't know. I decided to use this one because I haven't done like a purple, like I don't know if that'd be like really cool and different, but this is the look that I did. It's a half cut crease. I put like some glitter there and no wing today and just nice lashes, and I really liked how this came out. But yeah, I will be using this palette today, so let's get started with the video. I already did this eye off camera and then my eyebrows. And this eye's prepped, and I'm going to be starting with the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill palette, this purple one. And then first for my transition shade, I'm going to be taking Hush Hush. It's like a mauve gray tone. And basically it's just going to be a nice base to start out that purple color. That is done, and I'm going to be taking a different brush. It's more like angled. It's a Morphe M443. I'm taking the shade Rockstar. Oh my god, the mirror. Rockstar. And I'm packing on just here in the corner. So I'm gonna be like building it up in that corner and then slowly like move it all the way around. Whoa, what the heck? Hi, Lily. Come here. Come here. Oh, come here. Oh, she's stretching. Lily. Oh, this is Lily. She's a mama. She had one of my kittens that I kept. She's like black. She has like the half face. But yeah. Oh, she's like mama. Yeah. When she was a kitten, she followed my mom home, and ever since then we just kept her, and then we let her outside, and then she got pregnant and she had a couple kittens. So but now she's ours now. You gonna chill out, huh? Well, I think it's all set. And now I'll be cutting my crease. Look at that half cut crease. See it? Okay. Taking the Tarte concealer. I like to put the concealer right here first, like on the line, and then look up. And then it shows like where your crease is, so that way it's easier to draw it out. this finger, kind of blend that out a little bit. And now I'm gonna be taking the shade Bling, the top one there. I'm gonna pack this on right over the concealer. And then with one of my fingers, I'm gonna take the shade Glitz and Glam. And I'm gonna put it on the end where it like ends at. Kind of just work my way all over it. I go back in with the purple shade we used, Rockstar, and right over top again. I'm gonna slowly go over top of it. And then I'm gonna take the shade Mystic, very little, taking it just on the corner as well. And dragging it a little bit. To make it pop a little more, I'm gonna take the Heavy Metal Glitter in AC/DC and I'm gonna pop it like right here. I'm really gonna like spread it out. Can't even see it on the side all, but yeah, it's a little something to it. And then I'll be right back to put on my eyeliner and lashes. Alright, my eyes are done and I'm really liking this purple. You know, I haven't had like a good like blendable purple, but this is really very nice. For primer today, I'm gonna be using the MAC Strobe Cream. I can never get this open. Oh, got it. Then I'm gonna be using the NYX Angel Veil primer. Get any out. And I just got my nose pierced, and well, not just like 2 weeks ago. It's already pretty much healed. Like I haven't had, it just keeps bleeding a lot, and I know it's not good, but mine kept bleeding all the time. I would be at work and it would start bleeding, and I was like, oh my god, like. But I have done a lot of cleaning of it and treatments, and it's finally like stable. And makeup wise, like I still put all my makeup around it, foundation, like I still go in this section. I don't really have like problems with that. I'm using the same dang foundation I always use, and yeah. The Fenty Beauty foundation, always use it. So sorry, it's my favorite. And this one just really like works for my skin. It lasts all day and I don't crease, I don't get too oily. I bought the Born This Way. God, there's fur everywhere. The Born This Way concealer. And I actually really like this. Like I'll let it like sit on my face for a while and it won't like stay there. It blends like very nicely. I'm gonna use a lot today. I'm gonna use a lot of this so I can like even out my face. Ooh. My nose. I think this is enough. Just gonna use the Airspun one because it's a little wider and I gotta like balance it out. This foundation is not my shade. I have a hair in here. Oh my freaking, it's from these dang cats. I may film like a Halloween look. I just don't know what I'm gonna be yet, or even if I'm doing anything. But even if I'm not doing anything, I'm still gonna film something. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna go in with the purple rock star. Right in your corner. Usual. To finish off the rest of the face, going in with some bronzer, and take the Hoola bronzer, and I bought this new brush to like do it here because I've been using the same dang brush. I don't even know where it's at. I've been using the same brush for like everything for my blush and like my bronzer, and I'm like, I should get a new one. So I bought this one by Real Techniques, and it's truly, it actually like helps these look better, like gets in there, you know. Also helps with my nose contour. Going in like that. Going into that forehead, bronze that held up. Usually like to use this to help on the side. And I'll just go back and create that line. Okay, this is my hair this time. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Afterglow 8-Hour Blush in the shade Score. And I can't find my brush that I always use for everything. Yeah, I think it's in my car or something, hopefully. But I'm just gonna use this little brush. It's a little kiddish brush. For highlight, I'm gonna be using the I Love Seta times Dose of Colors highlighter in the shade Soulmate. This highlighter is like, wow. This has become one of my favorite highlighters, so yeah, let me show you. It's very pigmented. Literally one swipe and you get that like, oh shoot, kind of glow. I'll be using this lip liner in the shade Peekaboo Neutral. Just show you real quick. There. Using the Dose of Colors lip gloss and on repeat. Oh my god, my hair. Pull it out. There. And then I'm also gonna use, oh my god, I found another dang hair. The Barely There Dose of Colors lip gloss by I Love Seta collab them. I feel like there's something on my lips. Here. And then this shade, I'm only gonna like take very little in the center. Gonna set it off. Alright, well, this is my finished look. I am very much digging the purple. Haven't done light colors in a very long time. And I really do like the Jaclyn x Morphe Vault Collection. Oh my gosh, she did it again. Like, oh, I loved her first one, like the large one, but I used on one of my last videos, and like now that they have these, like the purples, like I'm living for the purple right now. So yeah, they're really inexpensive, and if you've been like curious whether like you want to buy them or not, like you should definitely like try at least one of them out, because they have 4 palettes, and I feel that one of them is bound to fit like what you like the most. So definitely should try those out. But thank you guys so much for watching, and stop cleaning yourself. Stop cleaning your butt, nasty. But yeah, and till next time, this is my kitty Cleo. Hi, mamas. She hears the freaking kids. She's like, what the heck is that? Hi, mamas. Alright. Go on. Oh my god, you scratched me so hard, man. Oh my god, I need to get you declawed. Yes. Oh my freaking god. You scratched me. Crazy kid.